one that I'm going to send you on WhatsApp is a song of someone else.
All right.
But I said yes. However, I'm going to send you a video of me jamming to the song that you have sent me on WhatsApp. Yes,
Okay.
that song. I absolutely love it. And you know how I feel about it from the first day.
That song is being arranged right now. It's such a struggle because they need to make it shorter.
I can't believe I had to like repeat myself 3 times
now,
for you
girl.
to get
Catch
it.
up
Like
also.
this is not you.
I'm here now. Let's go. Stop reminding me about the past 5 years. Don't take me to the past. I'm moving forward in this life.
Is this you? Did you live your brain in our load shedding South Africa?
You know what? You just respected me when you told me that your person was here, so that's how I got confused.
Oh,
he left.
Gone.
From told.
Yeah. Not even. Not even. No.
Babe.
I need to send him like a WhatsApp. That's why I wanted to, because I left him hanging on WhatsApp, so I need to go back on. Yeah, so yeah.
Babe, not you.
So someone's saying, so guys, Duma is dating Robot Boy. Guys, please keep up to date. I'm behind.
Robot. Oh my God, the dick is like a robot.
Robot Boy, Ntando is crushing on you.
You saying Robot Boy? That's crazy. Wild. That's powerful.
That is actually wild.
Oh my God,
that is crazy.
That would be so iconic. I would love that for us. Like as a squad, as not friends, as a country, as a nation. Like, I would love that.
No, man. You know.
Can you imagine you guys doing cute little robot TikToks together? I love that.
No.
I mean, I'm not saying it's happening. I'm just fantasizing. No. Allow me.
Yeah, I'm saying just block your fantasies.
Robot. He's so awesome. I'm obsessed with him. I love him.
No, he really is. He really is. Like he's like so powerful. Babe.
He really is, though. No, he really is.
No, but he really is. I'm laughing because I know why I'm saying powerful.
But
he really is.
But anyway, we were not talking. It's wild.
Also, I can't date a man that dances.
Why?
I can't. It's just a no for me. No, my man doesn't dance like that. Like either in the routine and have the whole squad having like a proper no. It's just like those movements, those little movements.
Why would he have a lot of people dancing around him?
No, I'm just saying, see, Pearl, I really need you to like wake up. Because your brain right now is not powerful. I really need you to wake up. Because the things I'm saying, you keep on wanting me to repeat twice, thrice. Like, it's not fair.
Everything is frozen around this life for me. The number of people.
You know what? Do you know what you need to do? Then your comments will come back. Just just lock your screen and open it again.
How do you know about that?
Someone told
Darkness.
me. I'm back. Loiso, oh wow. Loiso Madinga says, "Dicela both your teeth people's numbers." Well, it's 087.
Don't talk to Loiso like that. Loiso's my friend.
Yeah, I know, but like Loiso was also like speaking to me as well. I think no, both means what? One
when
person.
I just go make TikToks with the robot and like make the whole country happy.
I'm actually going to their podcast. They asked me to come to their podcast. They have a podcast
and I saw him and some other people have a podcast. And Paul Pops. I love him, Paul Pops. I love his kid. I love his father.
Yeah. They wouldn't really, you know what they said? I'm gonna shade you. I'm sorry, but and I'm preparing you for it. Okay. So they said, I don't know if I'm allowed to disclose this, but okay, it's not that deep. they said, okay, we've been trying to get funny people on the podcast, and we haven't really been finding people. So we suggested you, and we're like, okay, yeah, sure. You can actually fit perfectly to the podcast. And I'm thinking now, yes, you wouldn't really relate because you ain't that funny, you know? So I prepared you for it, and then you are still shocked. Pearl, please, you have better comebacks.
You know what? You talk about how I'm not funny, but my mere presence always in your life, you are just serving. Your stomach is suffering. I probably am the reason you might have a six-pack.
Firstly, sometimes I really enjoy making people feel good about themselves. And I really want you to feel like you are funny. So I'll laugh at anything and everything that you say so that you feel good. And that is fair.
I don't need you to laugh at or with me for me to feel good. Like, what the hell is wrong with you? I don't need that type of validation. Do you understand me?
Oh my God. No, guys. Okay. I really threw it.
You know what I would love
it was
to
very
see?
wrong.
You laughing like
funny.
This loud with that hat off. That's what I would like to see.
I'm getting off this live.
Take it off.
It's okay.
Take it off so we can all laugh together. Take it off.
Oh my God, wow.
This is me.
You?
This is me right now.
Powerfully. This is you, Pearl.
That is
so powerful, babe.
Oh my God. People are burning, babe. People are burning. People are burning by Ashabat because what's going on? Anyway.
I still can't believe she said that. What do you know that people don't know about what under my thing?
What they don't know is that you will never, ever answer or go live with me on Instagram without some struggle of some sort.
That is actually a lie. And we've gone live so many times, and this is actually the first time I wear like a hat speaking to you on the live. Or just
look, Loiso's laughing.
You're not funny.
No, babe, take off the hat. Yeah, take it off. I want to see. I want to see.
What do you want to see?
I want to see how beautiful you are without it.
I actually have hair like yours, but I don't want us to look alike now. It's going to be boring. So people must be able to identify who is who. I don't want like funny things. I really don't want funny things. So, like, I need people to be able to identify what's nangu pale, nangu Ntando. So I don't want people to be confused. So I'll just keep it for now.
Okay.
Is that fair? Is that fair enough?
What's that?
Happy, I can only take off this hat when someone else says I must.
Everyone in the comments says take it off.
I'm not talking about everyone on this thing. I'm talking about one particular person who's not even here.
Okay, no, it's fine. I just think you'd like sure. Oh, I miss you so much, babe. I can't wait.
No, I actually don't mind. I can take it off. Like, I really, you know how much I'm actually so obsessed with my forehead. I really love it, and I really love it out. But, like, why must I take off my swag? Like, it's like someone bumping into you at the mall, and they want to take, oh, hi, Pearl. Oh, my God, can I take a picture with you? Like, yeah, and you're wearing your shades and you're in your cap. And they're like, please take off your cap. Like, that is so rude. Like, I left the house with intentions of looking swaggy today with my cap and my sunglasses, and you're asking me to take off my cap? That is so rude. And I was the
Mara uhlele magaraji wena, umagaraji.
But yeah, that is.
Because I thought, oh, this nice lighting. How did she do this? Guy, my break. When you tell her, yeah, my break. Cause she more. Cause a penny paid. Cause a penny paid.
No, there's another car next to me, another white car next to me, so it can kickstart me.
Yeah, but ni driver, I'm a stick, ni driver manual.
No.
Driving manual.
So you can't kickstart
the car. Kickstart automatic. Biza abantu bazokusiza. Akusingqola leyo ongayiphusha nje. Cima sis, cima. My garage cima. Garage girl.
You know, I actually need to go get ready and go somewhere.
Where are you going?
I'm going somewhere powerful, babe.
Wow. You know, everyone's going to think this is your word at this point.
It's so powerful. It could never be my word. They know how I speak. They also know my English is whack.
Camera is here. Mr. So Camera. How are you? Lasizwe is here. Add him. Everyone keeps on laughing and oh, he's busy laughing at what I'm calling you. Add him. Add him. I haven't fought with Lasizwe in a long time. I miss it.
Oh wow. No, you're so toxic.
I'm not really.
Do you know that?
With him.
Nipo regile nina. Nipo regile.
Lasizwe sibatalak now. It's sanibonani bosis.
Yes, sanibonani bosis. I come in peace. I come in peace. Anglal, mina, anglal.
Well, don't say you come in peace when you call me Makaraj. Don't even start. Excuse me. Don't tell me you come in peace when you call me Makaraj.
I'm a Cancerian. Ngizokhala.
Well, not you, but just being like, oh my God, ngizokhala.
Guys, ngisensitive nje
that is powerful, babe. You're punishing.
Never heard me say all these things, so stop it.
Hey.
Because also he doesn't pay that much attention. He probably doesn't even speak to you as much as I speak to you because I listen when you speak. Have you never heard powerful Lasizwe? That's like her favorite word. Like
Lasizwe doesn't even watch my stories.
Pearl, you don't watch my stories. Let's get into this tea. You don't watch my stories.
But what's the issue? So A, B, C, D.
Wait, which account am I on here with? Oh.
Pearl Thusi.
Yeah. Mara, one thing I love about this live,
you have to think about
yellow sonke. As you say yellow.
Bazoti, light skin privilege. Tulani. Trauma. Please. Trauma.
Uni PTSD kesan.
Hey, nginayo angifuni amamanga. Ikhona iningi.
Okay. Okay, let's speak about things that are actually so jolly and amazing. Let's not speak about what will bring us down and that will
you guys must never attack Ntando. She can't handle the heat.
Oh, Ntando was Pen Omar's Ntando's my friend. You know how I know that Ntando can handle the heat? The moment you and a friend have a fallout and you are able to like hash it out and come together, that's when you know which is a good friend.
No, I'm talking about the heat of being like just attacked and drama and conflict. She doesn't like when there's fighting and noise and whatever. Like if we started fighting right now, if I found someone here and I swore at them, she'd end this whole life.
True.
What?
You're together.
Not really. Well, you are partially right. Wait, can you guys hear me? It's shading.
No one Yo.
I'm so dead. No, like I told you, I don't experience load shedding. I literally have an inverter. Let me show you my inverter.
I have solar power, inverter, and batteries as well.
Same.
And
I also have solar, but I can't go up the roof. Okay, I have all.
Don't you forget that song? What is said in that song? Remember? Kwami, who guess out?
I am so
dead. Just DM me your number and I'll phone you and I'll pay for you.
I even watch your statuses. Pel, most America, Instagram la. Status hey guys, Washington DC. Here WWE. Hi Pel. Why?
Babe, I don't like, the thing about Instagram is it's just so much. I just wish I wish Sarah Langa had a team and I could pay for this to be like I could pay her team, whoever they are, to just organize my content and curate it and put it. Even the reason I started this other page is because I was messing my page up with all my other nonsense. So I just don't post anymore. Like also, I've been having such a great time. I forget to
But
post.
we actually like the other nonsense, Pearl. We really, let me tell you, we actually really, I enjoy the real you Pearl content. Like it's so relatable. It's so funny. I'm sorry I said you're not funny earlier, but the truth is you actually are.
Yeah, but I'm a Qiniso always have a way of coming out.
Well, yeah. So I think I'm speaking on behalf of quite a number of people here. We really like that content. But I have one request, please. Don't come at me. I have one request, and I think it's also a request that I am doing for most of the people also on this live. Can please, before December, record another video with Ntando and leave us with the Hello December video.
Babe, you know,
Thank you
in
so
America,
much.
I fucking have to hear about that video. It's crazy.
But no, that's what we love. I think.
I know you can make a better one.
I always think of making a better one, but why am I fixing it if it's not broken? Like
it's
I
not broken.
Want to make another one,
True.
then I just thought, like.
But you know what? I say this that the reason why I think you feel like this, and maybe it's an assumption of my perspective, and I kind of actually had this feeling, is that on social media we start following people that are too curated and it's not inspiring. And what happens is that we start copying what they do, and our audience is like, "What the fuck? Ooh, Manjalim did that. Hey, man.
Wait,
what phone is that also? What phone is that?
No, wait. I want to see what phone that is. You have a phone?
No, guys, it's my phone. No, it's my phone. It's my phone. Guys, yo,
I see you.
No.
Guys, I'm telling you, it is your uyena.
But phela wena sona amatekisi ngeke unepena. Amatekisi wena sifuna ubona le phone.
Oh my god, no. You didn't go there. I'm so dead. But the ringtone, can you get
I'm
that
sure
ringtone
you
on
can.
an iPhone?
You can.
Play it off that phone and show us
So you just had
play. I don't believe you.
Oh, Pelly. Kanti wangikholwa. Pelly yazi name. Ngicela after the live
No, I also needed to hear it play.
WhatsApp ngicela location. I think we need to hug it out now. Ngoba awungithembi, wawungangithemba mina.
No, ask
Tell someone to call you or play the ringtone off the ringtone thing, yeah. Not the motor. Hello, motor. We want to see.
Guys, let me show you. It's genuinely a ringtone. Look.
Also, and then after showing us, you must explain
I think if it's really on your
iPhone.
You see? And then I have this one.
Hey, hey, babe, you need to send me how to. I want to do this now. My whole childhood is alive right now in my head.
Oh, I even have this one.
Please send me a screen grab of how you found those things.
I'll send it to you on WhatsApp.
Also,
I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. I'll send it to you on DM. I don't have your number. Please send me your number on DM.
Guys, let me tell you that. So my phone rings like a normal iPhone. It rings like a normal iPhone, right? But when this one person calls me, it rings differently, so I know it's him. Oh yeah, I know it's them, you know. So I think Lasizwe has done that as well.
Why ningenza umuntu
Did you
movie?
do that?
Why ningenza umuntu movie? Iringtone yami.
Then it's easier to spot. Then it's easier to know who's one phone line. Then you don't have to because I actually don't like my phone that much. I don't want people calling me. I don't want people texting me unless it's important or unless it's that person.
Then we are so then the question we are Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Drink or Tell the Truth.
Don't stress me.
We have two guests today. We have Pearl Thusi. Everybody say Pearl Thusi.
Pearl
Thusi. I'll talk about Pearl Thusi. And then on the right, we have Ntando Duma, the original.
Not Seketeke, I'm so dead. Not Seketeke.
It's a bad thing. Just leave me alone.
Okay, cool. If it's I love bad
clearly,
things, by the way.
Because you even have ringtones for them.
Anyway, welcome to Tell the Truth. Ntando Duma.
Yeah, Duma phone usenentando uduma.
But you guys trying to be cooling on me. What the hell? Gosh, this is my life. Yes, I can end it and you guys can be off.
Creator yethu. Wawenza ngaso sinama account. Oh, so creator yethu right now.
I was just saying. She's probably studying somewhere upstairs. She's probably studying. If only I could
but one day she's on. Let me screen grab this moment.
It's Bashe. Uncle Lasizwe says, go on to your Instagram.
She changed her number.
So I was communist going down. What in as community was it?
Okay, Ntando, wait.
Are we there?
Pearl,
again?
Wait. Ntando, answer this question or Kumula is go. Answer this question or Kumula is go. Ne?
Okay.
You're lighting. Still lighting Leana.
Ima imoto ibreak libomvu lapha emuva oboni ibhetri izophela mbuza umbuzo wakho Lasizwe.
I haven't asked my question.
Oh, I wanted to ask something. Okay, we listening. Don't ask shady things. I know
I've rebranded. Why didn't you answer a movie? I've rebranded.
Okay, let's see. Well, you've rebranded. This is also a question. Yeah.
What is your favorite Bible verse?
You are lying. You didn't want to say that. You know you didn't want to say that.
Why are you putting words in my mouth?
Babe, all he asked, what's your favorite Bible verse, babe?
My favorite Bible verse is Isaiah 60, verse 22. I, the Lord, will make it right. Will make it happen when the time is right.
So enjoy the timing.
But it's something.
But
yes. And have
dealing your timing can doing.
That is my favorite Bible scripture.
Hayi,
Move on, Lasizwe.
omunye akabuza umbuzo. Mina sengirepredile. Niyabona ukuthi ama-question ami anice kanjani, asolve.
And this was a lie. I know this is not the question that you wanted to ask. We both know
I have a question.
Yes.
Who is Ntando Duma's favorite male artist in the country?
Mm-hmm. I'll tell you. It is. I have a couple, actually. Or in this country, or the country where you at?
In this country, inside your mind.
Oh.
Okay, so in occupying LA, your.
Okay.
Who has one on a range? One pilala, the country.
Absolutely, no one would actually even have a chance to live here. Right? Definitely. But I have a couple of them. There's actually, I just realized that I actually love everyone.
Oh, you're suffering. You're suffering with this question, babe. Ushama around you. Usha easy to
No, I'm actually trying to think. I want to say the right people, because if I could literally mention everyone, if I could mention the people that are on my mind now, I could mention the entire
people industry. In the comments. Can you tell us who you think Ntando's favorite artist is? Is it Robot Boy? Is it Nasty C? Is it? Come on, Lasizwe, help me. Lasizwe, what the fuck?
I'll tell you. Wait, I know that I don't have to think this much about it, but like I really want to like point out my favorite.
Why Lisa? Why are you stuttering?
We are rounder.
Yeah,
Ntando bangeni.
Empukane le engazifunani lokithi so ekishini lokithi.
You said my favorite
artist.
rapper, hey, or male artist. Male artist.
The comments are lit. They're all coming with the
they
same.
They are amazing, Kesana. I love them so much.
But why ukaza?
I'm saying this again. I am not.
Is it Aries? Is it Casper? Is it?
I obviously loved Costa. I deeply loved Costa. AKA as well. I loved Ricky.
Teach gang. Skoluboni Zanja and the green hearts in the comments. Teach gang.
Teach gang. And then I loved Mbura. I love Murumba Peach. Actually, I love Murumba Peach. I love Tish Gang. Shout out. Thanks, guys.
Baby, no, I love Pori. Stop it.
Guys, can we talk about Pori for a second? Like,
Pori's the coolest man on the planet.
My man.
He's the coolest.
Oh my dear.
I think, babe.
I also love Fellow.
Lasizwe, is your camera off on purpose?
I love yes. It was.
Oh, give me 2 seconds. Like the 2 seconds.
I love. No, I'm finishing off. There's like 3 more people that I know. There's like quite a number of them, but I'll just mention a few. I love Musa Keys. I love Dali Wonga. I love what's the other guy? Gumaroto. There's one that I like.
So the other ones are
Zuma. No, The other ones, they're great, but they're not. It's just a preference thing. I prefer the other ones than the other ones.
Taliwonga,
Understand?
Pura, I think. Definitely Maporisa. I might be missing someone. Made my most favorite piano song ever. So, they have a special place in my heart.
Okay, I have a question. Wait. Hold on, who's the ones? I have a question. And
no. When you can't ask questions when you can't see you and you keep vanishing.
Oh, I love Thusi as well. Someone
Who
just
not
reminded me
Thusi?
about
Oh,
Thusi.
Thusi.
As well.
Oh.
Of course, Lasizwe, you love Thusi.
Casper. Oh my soul. Oh, Thusi. Wow. Anyway, equation, and this question is for both of you guys. I need much a little bit of paraffin.
Petrol. TV show live. I call editing I call nothing.
And also mention that who's live.
Okay, Ntando,
like a
question.
Ntando,
ask a question. Sis.
What's your favorite thing about me, both of you guys?
Oh, your smile.
Your love.
You just, if happiness was a face, it would be your face. Without the have.
Oh, Pearl.
No, Shem. Like, you have a very infectious laugh. Your laugh is very contagious. It's infectious. Like, in J, one thing that Ntando does, makabona ukuthi room li tense kakhulu vela hleka. Okay.
You are so annoying.
Love you so much.
Your laugh is like me saying powerful.
I'm so dead. Okay, I really am dead. I'm so dead. Okay, I think I need to leave. I really need to leave.
Just check if the car switches on quickly.
No.
Just check.
This is also not like a banana, okay? It's not
okay,
a
just check then. Prove it. Saban. Come on, got too many live.
Are you happy?
No, we didn't see anything. You froze.
Yeah.
It's froze.
Do me, Senyana. What if I do me?
Do me some more.